Year after year after year after year, you are wasting your life and your time doing absolutely nothing but bullshit. It's your 24th year, right? And what have you achieved except being humiliated by everyone? You aren't a millionaire, you don't own a house, and the only thing you actually own is your educational debt, which you haven't paid off because you are basically unemployed. Don't worry, because this is a new beginning. 2024, a new year that brings a final chance. Yes, a final chance for you to fix your life. If you don't fix it now, you won't fix it ever. But don't worry, because I'll walk you down the exact steps you need to know to make your 2024 legendary. And I will even share a secret technique that only successful people know that can unlock a source of unlimited passion within you. But like I said, this video is not bullshit. I'm not here to blabber nonsense in front of you while you devour burgers and daydream about your success. This is a contract with the devil, and you sign it by clicking the like button down there, just a few inches below the screen. You see it? A contract that you will finally wake up, grind, and show the world who you truly are. Because like I said, if you daydream success, it will remain in your head. If you take action, it will become a reality. So first things first, you need to understand how governments work. They have the highest amount of power, and to reach the top, we need to learn from those who are standing there. I know you aren't here for an economics lesson, but it is something really crucial to understand. Governments of most of the countries make a 4 years or a 5 years plan. They decide a budget for it and distribute it economically. They decide what percentage of the budget goes to defense, what percentage goes to infrastructure, and so on. You need to start applying this in your life. Make a plan for next year, write down 3 goals. Just 3, no more than that. You need to focus on just 3 crucial things this year. They can be weight loss, which you should definitely work on, you literal cheese-filled fat balloon. Maybe getting a job, because how long are you going to give your parents a headache? Or maybe even reading some books, because honestly, scrolling down booties of random Instagram models and having an attention span of a goldfish, the only thing you're going to be on the top of is the list. Men who are bigger than rhinoceros. And budget is your time. Yep, you need to masterfully allocate time to each goal according to their priority. How many hours a day? And would they be enough to reach your ultimate goal? There is one more extremely important step the government takes to ensure the success of their plan. They are accountable to the citizens, and as a result, they provide a report every month on how much they spent on each project and how close they are to their goal. You are accountable to this contract. Each day before you go to sleep, you need to write down in the comment section how much and on what you spent your time on and how close you think you are to your goal. Journal your intentions, where you want to reach, what you want yourself to be, and what you did today to make that dream a reality. Don't be a corrupt minister and waste your time on your selfish urges. We'll keep a check on you. Usually, people set atrociously absurd resolutions and cry their ass off when they fail. There is no resolution, there is intention. You made the plan, you need to try your level best to achieve it daily. If you fail today, succeed tomorrow. Just push yourself to be better and better and better each day. There's one more thing, though, that you need to consider before raging off to your destination, and that is that among the 3 ultimate goals you set for 2024, each goal should be separate from each other. In that sense, they should develop a different attribute in you. Like, one goal should majorly focus on your physical health. The goal can be anything. Maybe you can start learning gymnastics. Maybe learn a new sport, or better than that, you can begin your journey for 6-pack abs. Now, the other 2 goals should focus on something completely different from your physical health. Like, one should focus on creativity. Maybe develop a new hobby or a skill, and the other should focus on finance. Get a job, start a new business. But this will give you a variety, a color in your black and white life, and you would enjoy striving hard to become a superpower. Believe me, the next year is your year. The world is waiting for you. You just need to realize your worth, King. Like this video, sign the contract, and let's get going. And please focus on the gym, because it isn't too long before you would feature in an article with the title, "Ancient Extinct Large Animal Found Eating Pizza in His Attic." Just kidding. Begin the hustle.